Hi, my name is Adriana Alvarez, and I am an exercise science major here at Lewis University. My grandmother wasn't always in the best of health. She had Alzheimer's disease, and it just progressed really fast. And I saw her not be able to do the things that she loved, like go on walks with me. When the time came that she wasn't able to walk with me anymore, it not only affected me, it affected her, it affected my parents, because we saw her change completely. So once I found a major like exercise science that not only takes healthy individuals, but individuals who are sick, who do have certain diseases like dementia, I realized that that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to help those sick or certain individuals be able to get back or get close to what their baseline was, get close to who they were or what they were able to do.